Okay, here we go. We're going to pull out these sweet potato plants. Here we go. Wow. They are something else, aren't they? Wow. Are there any sweet potatoes in here? There's one. Some serious greens, huh? Now, are there sweet potatoes in here? I don't know what this is. It looks like we lost our camera. Oops. Wind is wicked. I probably picked the wrong day to do this. All right, let's see if there's any sweet potatoes. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Look at this. I hope you can see this. Look at this. They're huge. Oh my God. Oh my God, they started going into my yard. Look at the size of these. Look how big this is. Wow. See how big that is? Now remember, these are in a cardboard box. Oh my God. That's a big sweet potato. Came from this. Get out of there. Well, we have a grub. Gotta kill that thing. Oh, worms. We want the worms. Okay. Looks like that's it, unless I missed something. I was hoping for a little bit more, but that's, you know, I've never done it before, so that's a blessing right there. Didn't know what I was doing. Will you please get out of the potatoes? Looks like this one died. I don't know. There sure were a lot of greens coming out of there. Oh, I see one. I see two. 1, 2. Little ones. The little babies. There's another little one. I think this front one died. Yeah. I think when we planted that, it didn't get happy. Well, this particular one gave me some really small ones. They're so cute. I'm thinking if I'd have left those ones that I pulled out a month ago, if I'd have left them, they would have grown big like this. Because they were like this size when I pulled them out. My bad. Okay. Sweet potatoes. It looks like this is the purple potatoes, not the sweet potatoes. And I see a big one. A pretty big one. Wow. That's, oh my God, it's huge. Wow. Wow, they were digging right down into my yard. Wow. Right through the box. Oh no, I broke it. Bummer. Kathy, be more careful. especially with this really big one. I don't know how far down this goes, or this one for that matter. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I broke it. Oh, darn. Yeah, I broke the end off of that one, too. Look at that. Look, this one was going to start to grow babies. I should put it right back in the ground. But I broke the end off of this one. And this one, and this one. Wow, they were digging right down in the yard. I never would have got those out if I'd have tried. This soil here is like concrete. But wow. Look at that. All right, so this is what I got. For an experiment, that was pretty fun. So this is what I got. I'm happy. No complaints. Now I gotta clean up. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. And I hope you take the time to do something fun like this. It actually really was kind of fun to watch how the different processes went, from the barrel that I planted them in to the grow bags that I planted them in. Honestly, did not expect to get anything out of this. It was in the shade. It was underneath my fireplace area. I did water it sparingly, but I watered it. It was fun to watch it grow. And I'm really excited. I got 2 different types of sweet potatoes. The purple ones, purple sweet potatoes. I should keep these and regrow them next year. Like, I don't know, maybe a baby, and regrow them next year. So no GMOs. Be growing it from my own greens. I might buzz through this with a shovel just to make sure I didn't miss anything. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.